This exercise is going to be showing how to strengthen wrist, what's called radial deviation and ulnar deviation. So in the hand, the radius is the thumb side, ulnar is the pinky side, and we're going to be using a hammer for this. And so this is ulnar deviation, and that's radial deviation. Okay, pretty weird, small movements. We don't do these in isolation a lot, but we need strong radial deviation for when we're like, let's say, picking up a coffee cup. If we're weak here, boom, it's going to go down or we're going to get pain. If you're a fisherman, we need to cast. That's actually ulnar deviation. Golfers use this as well. A lot of racket sports will get some ulnar deviation on board. But most times throughout the day, whenever we're using our wrist and hand, there's some combined movements that we want some strength here. And so there's times and places in rehab where we want to isolate these components. I like to use a hammer because it's easy to hold, and we can use it. It has a weight on one side, which makes it easy to load these. So the exercise is actually fairly simple once you understand what we're going for. So we're going for kind of these motions. So I'm just going to hold this by my side. This first one, thumb forward, grip it. This is radial deviation. I'm going to come up and back down. I'm trying to go with pretty minimal elbow movement because that would be the bicep. And I also don't want to get rotational movement. That would be probably the shoulder, okay? That is radial deviation. I typically do about 15 to 25. I'm going until this all feels really, really tired, okay? If that's too hard, you can choke up on the hammer because then that's less that you have to lift. If it's too easy, get a bigger hammer, or actually a frying pan tends to work pretty well. Okay, ulnar deviation I'll show from the side. So radial deviation is coming up. Ulnar deviation, I'm going to grip it the other way. So grip it like that. And now I'm going to come up, boom, that way and back down. That one might feel a little weird if you're not used to it, but I'm thinking of working the pinky side. And again, I'm going to go 10 to 20 plus reps until I feel some fatigue here. Okay, I want to control it in and out of here, not let it boom, just fall down. So that's how we strengthen radial and ulnar deviation.